Today I want to show you how we can add application in Intune. Okay, first of all, we open Intune Admin Center. We go on application, and for example Windows. We want to add some application in Windows. We click on add and we can choose where is the app. For example, for now I choose Store, Microsoft Store application. And we need to search which application we need. I choose Adobe Acrobat and click next. And here you can add some description or some information. And for example, I want to show this application in company portal. I choose yes, and logo if you want, owner, everything you can add. Now you can apply this to a group. For example, I choose all company. You can select for one specific group if you want. And next step, just review all information and we can click next. Okay, now as you can see, we have one application for all company. This application is Adobe Acrobat Reader, and this application will install in all system in the company. Okay, for now it's 0, it needs time to install, and after several days you can back and check how many device is installed or how many error you have or how many failed, and everything is here. You can check after several days. If you want to see more, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you and bye.